This is the Brady lockout tagout. They're made by Avis. It's got a 5-pin core. This one doesn't feel like it has really any security pins in it, but that might just be because it's the compact model. I might have to order another one and try it out just to see if there's a difference. I'm going to use the Covert Instruments turning tool 30 thousandths on top of the keyway with the long hook from the Peterson's Las Vegas kit. Going in, there's nothing on 1, got nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Number 4 is binding. Got a click. Number 5 is binding. Got a click. I'm going to go back to number 1. Nothing on 1. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We got it open. The wording on there makes it a little bit tricky. So, it was 4, then 5. And then I had to come back to the front, and 2, and then 1 opened it. So, number 3 is a 0 lift, because if you touch it at all, it oversets the lock. But yep, Brady lockout tagout.